Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have a brand new to the channel kids book subscription. So I met Outpost Books when I was at Subscription Box Summit. It's a husband and wife team and they are awesome. They also are Texans, which was kind of exciting. And after chatting with them, they sent me one of every one of the imagination boxes that they offered to share with you guys. So I'm really excited because we're right before Christmas and this is a great gift for kids. So Outpost Books is a monthly kids book subscription and it is a giveaway box. Outpost Books is gonna give one of you guys a 3-month subscription to the Imagination Box subscriptions group. And you can choose your age group, and I'm gonna show you the different ones here, but it's 0 to 3, 4 to 7, 8 to 10, 11 to 13 years old, and then a YA. They have books for all kids. So to enter to win, you need to write in the comments below what you love about Outpost Books, who you would gift it to, what you would do with it, anything that is intriguing to you about Outpost. You need to give this video a thumbs up, and you need to subscribe to my channel. And that's it. We always do love it when you share with a friend so they have a chance to enter as well. But Outpost Books is a monthly subscription and they have options starting as low as $14.99 a month. So think about a kid. You could give them a 6-month subscription, a 3-month subscription, whatever, but it's a gift that keeps on giving, which is pretty exciting in my book. Like what I did there? Totally didn't even plan that. They ship to the US, Alaska, Hawaii, and the US territories. And if you use the code PINKENVELOPE, you get 15% off your first subscription. Now let's dive in and let me show you some of the imagination boxes. I'm gonna be showing you the imagination boxes. These are $32.99 and they come with 3 books, a seasonal craft, and this interactive box. I have the 0 to 3-year-old box on top. Let's pull this open. I love that the boxes are ready to be colored and interacted with. My kids use all of my past boxes. They build forts out of them. They cut out the different art pieces and hang them on their wall. So they are going to love coloring this. Ooh, this could be a spoiler. So heads up, this could be a spoiler. If you don't want to know what's coming in your next box and you haven't looked, I'm warning you. Here is the October subscription. It's all Halloweeny and it's so stinking cute. On top there is a book that says, "Where's the Pumpkin?" And it's a really cute little board book. It says it has a retail value of $5.99. Then there's another board book called Colors. Explore First Colors with Peep Through Learning Fun. Oh, that is so cute. I miss this stage. We're past this stage. I can give this to my niece. She's little bitty and would enjoy this. This book has a retail value of $7.99. When I play, you guys, that is so cute. I want to put this up as decor. Does it have a retail value on this one? I don't know. But look, I don't want to break the spine if I give it to somebody, but they're really big, thick pages, really great colors. Absolutely. Love how cute this is. Oh my gosh. So let's see, does it have it? No, it doesn't have a retail value, but it's gotta be at least $8.99. This is a big old Hardy book. And then the craft for this one is a Monster Vision foam kids glasses craft kit. So here is the base, and then you use everything that's been included in here to decorate your Monster Vision. That is so freaking cute. And it's got the different stickers, and they're the thicker foam stickers that are like kind of 3D. They're so cute. I might make these and wear these. My kids are gonna love this. These are so cute. Okay, so this is an example of what is in the 0 to 3-year-old imagination box. So next is the 8 to 10-year-old imagination box. We have them labeled here so I don't get them all confused. Another super cute, great theme, great colors. The book on top is Watch Hollow, The Alchemist's Shadow. Ooh. Retail value, $16.99. How the inside looks. How to be a supervillain. Bad guys finish first. Oh my gosh, that is really cute. This has a retail value of $13.99, and this one actually is more like comic book like. I love how they're on theme for Halloween. And this one is the Camelot Code, Geeks and the Holy Grail. And this has a retail value of $16.99. And this is like kind of what the inside looks like on this one. Okay, let's see if the crafts, I don't know if they're the same or not. Let's take a peek and see if it's the same craft or a different craft. Oh, this one's different. What do we have here? We have cute little witch stickers. We have these stickers. We have some wheels. A pull back witch craft kit. So you can pull back the wheels and it looks like the witch is flying away. That's another cute project that my kids will love doing, absolutely love doing. I was talking with the owners of Outpost and they said that the holiday pre-sale starts November 1st and they're going to include winter theme books and crafts. Also, if you purchase a gift subscription, you can choose the day that the box ships. You can use my coupon code on as many gifts as you want to send, and you can include a gift note in the box. That is a really great, easy, quick gift giving process, which I am all about. Okay, this is the 4 to 7-year-old box. Did I do those out of order? Yeah, I managed to do 0 to 3, then I jumped to 8 to 10. They even labeled these and somehow I still... Now we're doing the 4 to 7-year-old imagination box. So this one, I have a 7-year-old, so I'm like eyeing this one. And the last one definitely was perfect for my 10-year-old. Ghoulia, making new friends can be scary. Oh, that's cute. Applicable too. This has a retail value of $9.99, and the inside of Ghoulia, oh my gosh, is cute. It looks like this. Next, oh, it's a big book. Oh my gosh, there's 2 big books. The first one is Cake. $17.99 retail value, and Cake looks like this. Very happy. And what is this one? Thunderpants stand out from the herd. It's got underpants on the cover, which is going to cause my kids to burst into laughter. Retail value of $15.99. If they were here, I would bring them in here just so I could show them the underpants and let you listen to how hard they laugh at that. Why did we lose that? Where does that go? I want that back. I want to laugh at underpants. And this is what the inside of that book looks like. Okay, let's check out and see what the craft looks like. Oh, it's different again. It's a different craft. This one looks like you make a little watch. We got a watch base. We've got things to decorate the watch with, like little foam stickers. And it says foam Halloween bracelet craft kit. And then you can make one of these bracelets or what I called a watch. Very, very cute. So all of these boxes are curated by a certified English teacher who's been in the education realm for like 15 plus years. So she really knows what to curate and how to curate it. And another thing that they do that I love so much is that they donate, and they donate a lot, and they donate regularly. You can on their website and see where they're actively donating. So I love that they're pouring back into the community in a real way, making sure kids who would not normally have books are getting books and lots of them. Okay, I have the 11 to 13-year-old box, which is where my daughter, my oldest, is going. So I'm intrigued to see this one. Smack dab in the middle of maybe. This one has a $17 value. And oh yeah, you can see it's a little more mature, the font smaller, no pictures. The Mysterious Messenger. This one has a $17 value. Oh yeah, still very mature on the inside. Themed books are so much fun. I love that these all have like a little cute spooky theme. The Door to the Lost. Oh, that looks intriguing. $17 value. And it has the uneven, really cool pages, like they look like raw cut pages. I love it, I love it, I love it. Also very mature on the inside. And let's check out the craft. My kitty just walked in under the cameras, under the desk, and jumped on the window over there. Yeah, this one's different. This is a Halloween bookmark craft kit. Oh, that's smart. This is my favorite one so far because you get your books, you're loving your books, and during the time while you're reading your Halloween books, you will use your Halloween bookmark. I don't know if I'm supposed to have a favorite, but that's my favorite. So I'm about to show the last of the imagination boxes. This one is a young adults fantasy box, which I personally am very interested in. But they do have boxes that I'm not showing here, which is the imagination mini boxes. Those are $14.99. Comes in 5 different age group ranges. If you want to check those out. And these are all $32.99, but the YA fantasy fiction is for 14 years and older. It comes with 3 books in the box, no craft. Is only $29.99. Okay, let's see what that consists of. So on top is Oasis, a novel, $17.99 value. The Oasis saved them, but who will save them from the Oasis? I'm reading this book. And so that's what the inside looks like. Next is Kingdom of the Blazing Phoenix, the sequel to Forest of a Thousand Lanterns. Very intrigued. The Battle for Power, a fight for survival. I'm probably gonna love this one too. Retail value of $18.99. I'm reading these, y'all. This is what the inside looks like. I read a lot of YA. I don't know if it's a sign of my maturity, or I like the fact that they're always completely non-stressful, like they never have real life problems. They're always super fake, and I just don't want to deal with more real life problems. I don't know, I love YA. And the last one is Breathe, a walk down the sun-drenched glass tunnel. Bay, Alina, and me, we push open the revolving doors at the end, and we step as one into the airless planet. Dang! Okay, this one has a retail value of $17.99, and that's what it looks like on the inside. Okay, I am super impressed. So like $17.99, $18.99, $17.99. So the value is there. Really easy to see the value. Love the convenience of the books being shipped to my house for me or my kids. This makes a great gift. They're giving away a 3-month subscription. I love absolutely everything about Outpost Books. And I met the owners, and they're awesome too. So I want to put that in there as well. They were so cool. If you have any questions about this box, please put them below. I'll have Outpost looking to help answer. I'll be here to answer. I think this is another great gift. I'm really trying to show you guys some new cool niche and nuance box subscriptions right before the holidays so that you can introduce your family, friends, and gift some really cool things this year. I hope that you guys have an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.